Hello students, once again welcome back to your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Today we are going to do some maths. From many days we have not done much maths. So let's go again to fractions. Ma'am's initial videos were on fractions. If you have not seen them, please go there, understand what are fractions, how we can do addition of fractions, multiplication and division of fractions, like and unlike fractions, and everything I have explained in detail. Now today I am going to do some problems related to fractions, as I feel that in this CBSE course everywhere now fractions chapter may be going on, or if your course is slow you may be coming to the chapter fractions. So let's understand from problems today. So let's see. There is a problem that Ravish is taking 1/5 minutes to cover his school playground, while Rahul, who is another boy in this school, he is covering the same playground in 7/4 minutes. So area of the playground is same and the time taken by them is different. Now we have to compare them, that who is taking more time, who is taking less time, and by what amount the person who is taking more time, that is what fraction. So let's see. So first step what we will do is, whenever we compare any two fractions, we try to make them or convert them into first proper fraction. A mixed fraction has to be converted into proper fraction. Then the proper fractions also we cannot compare unlike fractions. So we have to convert them into always like fractions. So let's see how we will do all this. So first ma'am is having here this Ravish with 1/5 minutes. So let me convert it into a proper fraction. So 1/5 will be equal to 2 into 5 plus 1/5. That is equal to 11/5 minutes. So Ravish has taken 11/5 minutes, while Rahul has taken 7/4 minutes. Now I'll convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. So 7/4 and then I got here 11/5. So as denominators are not same, so I will take the LCM of the denominators so that I can convert into like fractions. So I think all of you may be knowing this method of finding out LCM. Let's see. This is a simple method. With 2 I have done, then again 2. Then I have got 5 here now. So you see, LCM of these two numbers will be equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 into 1. So students, the LCM will be 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. So I hope it should be clear to you now that how LCM is to be taken, that also you have understood by this. Now how to make them like fractions. So I will put 7/4 into 4 into 5 I have to do, so 5 into 5/5, because it will have to be multiplied, both numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 5. So we will get 35/20. So that 35/20 minutes is taken by Rahul to cover the school playground. Now what time is taken by Ravish to cover the school playground? Let's see that. So I have got 11/5 and this I will multiply by 4/4. So I will get 44/20 minutes. So our Ravish has covered the same school playground in 44/20 minutes. So naturally when we compare, we find that 44/20 which was taken by Ravish is greater than 35/20 minutes which was taken by your friend, that is Rahul. So how we will find out by how much this is greater, or how much he is taking more time, or how much Rahul is taking less time. For that we will have to do 44/20 minus 35/20 which was taken by his friend Rahul. So it will come out as 9/20 minutes. So we can say here easily that your friend Rahul has taken 9 by 20 minutes lesser than his friend Ravish. So faster is Rahul, who has taken less time, while slower is Ravish. So I hope this problem of fractions, in which we have found out the LCM of the denominators and the subtraction between fractions, and we have converted mixed fraction to proper fraction, and then we have converted unlike fractions to like fractions. So many things we have done and we have completed this problem. So it should be clear to you. So our answer is 9 by 20 minutes. By 9 by 20 minutes, Rahul is faster than Ravish. So we will go to our next problem, that is of Shikha and Priya. Now we are going to solve our next problem. It is related to bookshelves. Now Shikha and Priya are two friends and they have got a bookshelf which is of same size. Shikha's bookshelf and Priya's bookshelf is of the same size. Now Shikha is having 5 by 6 of her bookshelf full of books, while Priya is having 2 by 5 of her bookshelf full of books. Now I have to find out that whose bookshelf is more full of books while whose shelf is less books, having less books, and the fraction by which the person whose shelf is having more books is how much more fraction of books is more in his bookshelf, which is of the same size as that of her friend. So let's do the sum and we can understand by the sum. So Shikha, that is 5 by 6 full. So again, like we did the previous sum, we will try to make the unlike fractions. We will convert them into like fractions. So naturally this 5 by 6 and we have got the other fraction, that is 2 by 5. 6 and 5 are different denominators. So we will try to make them same denominator so that we can compare them. So we will take the LCM of 6 and 5 again in the similar manner as we did before. So with 5 if we do, it will become 1. Now this can be done with 2 because it's a multiple of 2. So we will get 3, 1, then 3, then 1 and 1. So it's LCM of 6 and 5. It will be equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. That is 10 into 3, that is 30. So 30 will be the denominator, can be taken as the denominator like in previous case, like we did in this question. So what we will do, how we will convert it, we will do 5 by 6 into 5 by 5. So it will become 25 by 30. Okay. And same way this one, that is 2 by 5 into, we have to get 30. So 6 into 6, that is 12 by 30. Okay. So now we can compare these two. So we can say that 25 by 30 is more than your 12 by 30. Okay students, as numerator 25 is greater than the numerator 12. So 25 by 30 is greater than 12 by 30. So it means that Shikha's bookshelf is filled with more number of books because our fraction is greater than Priya's bookshelf, that is 12 by 30. That is first answer. Now second one is how much it is greater, it is asked. So naturally we will have to do this, that is 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. So what it will give? Let's write this and understand it now. 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30, these two. So 25 minus 12 we will have to do, and denominator is same. So that is 25 minus 12. So what you will get out of this? You will get 13 by 30. So your Shikha's bookshelf is greater, having more number of books, and it's 13 by 30 times more than what is Priya's shelf is having. So fraction by which Shikha's shelf is having more number of books is 13 by 30. So I hope today both the problems which were explained to you, that is of Ravish and Rahul and Shikha and Priya, in which we were comparing two fractions and we were finding out the answer also in fraction, is very much clear to you. So subscribe to the channel, that is Unique Learning, which is your own channel to understand about science through various means, that is by activities, by teaching, through maths, by teaching the concepts, and you can learn maths by doing the problems with me. Then English you can understand by the various grammar portions. So stay tuned to Unique Learning. Press the like button, press the subscribe button to get subscription, and then when bell icon will come, you have to press it so that you get notifications timely. And like and share with your friends and give your wonderful remarks. I am very happy that some of you are giving out your time to give your wonderful remarks to ma'am. Thank you. Stay tuned to Unique Learning. Bye.